Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, do you experience this thing when you would like to insert the certain icon, for example the location or maybe the phone or email icon, that you would like to put it into the, let's say for your CV or the letter? However, if you don't find that icon because your Microsoft Word still in the older version, don't worry guys, because you can still have that icon, but it will be in a different way. Maybe for the user of the Microsoft Word of the newest one or the newest version, maybe there will be the icon beside this shape. However, here I'm using the older icon. So you can use this alternative, for example, to insert the location icon. You can use this code 1F4CD and make sure that the letter or the character is written in the lowercase. For example, I will demo it for you. Paste it over here and also give the combination of the Alt and X. Alt X, there you go. This will be the location icon we have. And for the phone one, copy it, paste it, and give it the combination again, Alt X. There you go. This is the phone icon we have. And the last one, the email, paste it and give it the combination Alt X. There you go. This will be the email icon we have, and it will be ready for your purposes. So that's all guys. Don't forget to try this code into your Microsoft Word, and you can also let us know if this tip and trick also work for you. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.